I started by going to Dollar Tree. I was looking for a jar so I could do some overnight oats. There were some different ones. Some of them I didn't really like that much, but I found one. Then I went home, put some pasta water on the stove, and then did some research on Pinterest because I wanted to get some inspo for what I wanted to make this week. After I found what I liked, I made a board, and this is what I came up with. I went back to my pasta water, salted it, and added my pasta. And then I went to wash my jars. I hand washed them, and then I put them to the side so that they can air dry. Back to my pasta, I added some oil because I heard that it's supposed to make it not stick. And then I took it out. Once it was al dente, I added some frozen mushroom, and once that was done, I removed it as well. Removed the water, put some oil in the pot, and I put all of this inside. Seasoned it, added heavy cream, and just mixed it. I added some tomato paste just so that it could give it good coloring and make it a little thicker. The pasta overall, I really enjoyed it. It's probably the best pasta I've ever made, to be honest. It's nice and creamy and it's healthy with the mushroom and the spinach in it. And after that, I was done. I ate it up. The next day, I went grocery shopping for the list that I've made. I grabbed some fruits, some salmon, some chicken, and a whole bunch of other stuff. This is my haul. Started with the chicken. I washed it and then I patted it down dry. And I marinated it. So I added the seasoning. Then I just went to the salmon and also marinated it. I cleaned up my area. I took my almond milk and chia seeds. Also marinated that and put everything to the side. Then I took a little break and came back. I started with the salmon, air fry. Then I made my oats. The yogurt, by the way, is optional, but this was delicious. Then I took the salmon out, put it to the side, and ready the chicken. This is how my oats looked. Some of them had peanut butter in it, some of them didn't. Then I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. This was actually so good, and I'm going to have to get some more. I removed the aluminum foil, and here I'm just showing you how mess-free it is. I put my cauliflower in the air fryer, and then I went to make some rice. As the rice was cooking, I decided to cut some plantain so I can also air fry it. When it's air fried, low-key doesn't look that good, but it still tastes good. I put it in the air fryer because it was ready to go, and I added some garlic salt to it. And here is what I have so far. That's the chicken, salmon, rice, cauliflower, and plantain. Then I went ahead and made some quinoa. I rinsed it and then put it in boiling water. And I got these from Dollar Tree as well. They're like the perfect size. Let's take a moment to look at the sunset and how beautiful the kitchen looks when I'm cooking. And yeah, this was everything. It was time for me to put it all together. Everything really turned out so good, and I will be ordering these again. And then I decided to have myself a meal after I cooked, and it was delicious. And this is everything I meal prepped for my lunches this week. And this is everything in total, including my overnight oats. And look how simple it is for me to literally just grab something, put it in a plastic bag, and then head to school or head to an appointment or wherever I gotta go and just eat it in the car. I ate in the car this day because I did not feel like leaving my car and then coming back with a whole bunch of empty stuff in my hands. But yeah, and then I headed out to do whatever I had to do. I came back and I ate my lunch. It's just literally the perfect size, and I love doing this. So I'm gonna keep meal prepping. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.